Around 1,500 supporters of the National People's Party from 3 constituencies in South West Garo Hills assembled to join in a bike rally led by the NPP chief Conrad Sangma from Ampati to Garodubi, covering a distance of about 20 kilometers. The rally covered all 3 constituencies of South West Garo Hills, demonstrating show of strength of the party. Sources informed that the rally culminated in a public meeting followed by a rock concert as part of the election campaign.
Tentang business plan ko thari na, tentang bostu ko brain na, market baksa linkage ko thari na, ya plug kam ko takna, ya entrepreneurship program ko tsra, prime program ko apat singatso. Aru ya prime program ni true, hazar ketam na batin, talo chadam berang. Tentang megalini bak rango, antang tani business rangko talo koliemang, talo antang naba, aro gepenang naba, canggih tangani chol rangko talo yerang bakke otninga.